If you're gluten-free, this is the day for you to watch.
It is.
Yeah.
Yay.
Katie George, Hy-Vee dietitian here for the latest quick bites. What do you have?
So we're going to do just something a little bit different, a little bit unique. This may not speak to everybody, but it's adaptable for sure. So in the month of October, we always try to play up and really speak to our gluten-free, sometimes dairy-free shoppers as well. And knowing that holidays are just around the corner, we always have a huge event at Hy-Vee, and that is the Gluten-Free Open House, which is happening on October 21st from 10 to 1 at Kearney Hy-Vee. So today I'm going to be showcasing just a few of the products that we are going to be letting you guys test and try, and then just talking a little bit more about the event.
Yeah.
If that's all right.
Yes.
All right.
Let's do it.
So this kind of does seem a little summery, but you know what? It is a super great recipe. So we are going to do some gluten-free, dairy-free mini pizzas and mini fruit pizzas. And I do feel like right around the holiday times, as we're approaching,
I know,
can you
it's
even
happening.
believe it? That a lot of people who are coming, if you're hosting a gluten-free, dairy-free individual, you just might become a little stressed out. So we're here to help. So we are going to be showcasing these Sweet Lorenz. These are just your basic sugar cookie. These will work really great for holidays for sure, but it also works great as the base of your fruit pizza. So these are gluten-free sugar cookies. We baked them yesterday. You almost want to kind of underbake them a little bit so that they don't get hard, but this is they come in just individual puck sizes and bake those off. So we are utilizing these as the crust of our pizza. So gluten-free sugar cookies. From here, we are going to make a dairy-free like cream cheese spread, and we are going to be using the Kite Hill cream cheese. This is plain cream cheese. At Hy-Vee, specifically in Kearney, we have so many alternatives, gluten-free, dairy-free alternatives, and we just want you guys all to know that if you are dealing with a food allergy, we are here to help. So into our bowl right here, we do have our Kite Hill dairy-free cream cheese. We just are mixing it with a little bit of vanilla and a little bit of powdered sugar to just kind of make your frosting for your fruit pizza. And this is typically what you would do if you were making a a non-dairy-free spread as well. So we are going to do that. From here, our gluten-free cookie, we're going to just add a little bit of the frosting made with the dairy-free cream cheese, and simply you get to take your fruit and decorate it however you please. So we have a variety of fruits here. We have raspberries and grapes and strawberries, and we will be, like I said, showcasing this exact recipe and product at our upcoming gluten-free open house on October 21st. So we would love to see you. If you are gluten-free, if you have family members that are gluten-free, it is a drop-in anytime between 10 and 1 in the tasting room at your Kearney Hy-Vee, and we will have over 50 items to sample.
Wow. Even if you're not gluten-free and dairy-free.
Yes, it's wonderful.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a great sampling day.
And I love this because you can put all different fruits on your one thing. You're not going to get all grapes or all strawberries.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So Sweet Lorenz, this is a refrigerated product in our health market, and they just make some fantastic products. So this is it.
Perfect. All right. Thank you so much.
You bet.
We'll be right back.